Hello everyone, it's Laura Etema and this is your first piano lesson. Okay, so let's get right into it. Alright, so if you see your piano, you'll discover that you have an arrangement, okay, of black and white keys. You see the black keys, they're in threes, twos, alternating each other, okay? And then for the white keys, you can see that they are longer. They all have names. They are named after the first 7 letters of the English alphabet, okay? So before every group of 2 blacks, you have a C, okay? So this is a C. This is another C. And there's a C here, okay? All right? Before every 3 blacks, you have an F, okay? So holding all the F's down, all right? So if we've got a C and we've got an F, so this would be counting forward: C, D, E, F. Proved. G, A, B, C. And it goes on and on. D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So you notice whenever we get to a G, we go back to A. Why? Because we don't have an H in music. No H, no I, no J in music. Okay? No H, no I, no J. Okay? All right. So moving on now, I know that most of you know one or two things. Most of you know one or two things on the piano. Okay? So I'm just going to skip all the stories and we'll get playing immediately. Okay? So let's go again. All right. So now this is your C. If I have my hand placed like this on it, okay, I'm playing C, E, G, and I'm forming a chord called the C major chord. Okay, so I'm using, in piano we have the fingers are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now I'm using 1, 3, and 5. Okay, some people hold it like this: 1, 2, and 4. All right, so you can use whichever method is okay for you. All right, some will even do this. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we all have different lengths of fingers and all of that. So do what's comfortable for you. Okay, that's C. Okay, but then there's a C I would like to show you. Instead of C, E, G, okay, we may want to do G, C, E. Okay, that's an inversion of C that a lot of people run away from, but it's just as easy as this. And if you use finger 1 on G, finger 2 on C, finger 3 on E, it makes it easy. Okay, so that's a C chord. Okay, then the next chord I'd like to show you is the A minor chord. Okay, A, C, E. All right, A, C, E, using the same set of fingers. So this is your C major, G, C, E. Just one finger forward from G to A, C, E. Okay, and I'm going to show you a G. This is your G, remember? F, G. Okay, so when you're holding the G, skip one note, hold, skip one note, hold. You have a chord, and that's the G major chord. G, B, D. That's the root position of G. So it's a G major chord. And then lastly, I'll show you the F chord. Okay, this is the F chord. Okay, it's an inversion of the original F root. Okay, so this is F, A, C. That's a root, but we don't want to use that. We want to use the word A, C, F. It's the same thing. All right, so what do we have? We have a C for 4 times. Okay, we have the A minor, and then from this A minor, just moving from the E, you got your F. Okay, the other 2 remains in the same place, and then we come all the way to G. It's not too far, is it? G, B, D, right? So let's start again. C 4 times, then to A minor. So I'm already singing. So if you're learning to play and sing, this lesson will really benefit you. Okay, so for the left hand, we just want to arrange our fingers in such a way that, you know, we don't stress moving, jumping from place to place. You're just here. That's your C. Okay, A minor, F, G. Okay, So we can decide to just put finger 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finger 1 on C, 2 B, 3 on A, 4 on G, and that's okay, 5 on F. So what do we have? Dun, we can just do just one. I'm just doing it 4 for now. And then F. Okay. C, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3. So I'm doing 2 hands now. Let's take that again. You see how easy it is. Alright? Some of you can be bold and do something like this. Can you see that? Okay, so I want you to watch these over and over again. You can rewind, stop, pause, forward, whichever way you like, okay, to get the real meat of this video, right? So it's lesson 1, and it's Loretta, your music coach. I'll meet you again for lesson 2. Have fun while playing. See you soon again. Bye for now.